Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.
Listen, I don't know if I'm tooting my own horn, but I feel like these are something that you would see being sold. Got this stuff from World Market. It was one bouquet and I was able to split it into these two small vases. And then I also have some pampas over here that I have real pampas and then fake pampas that I got from Home Goods, I think. So over here to the right of my kitchen is like the entryway. And I'm thinking of either putting like a huge like arched mirror right here. I was also thinking of getting something like, you know, those wall ladders like with shelves. I was thinking of doing that because I want to put like stuff like this, like candles or like just little decor, like maybe even my cute glassware, like pink glasses, or I don't know, just something cute here. I'm still not sure because I also want to make this like a cute little entryway, maybe with like a mirror just to see how you look before you leave. But if I'm gonna put a huge mirror here, I don't know if that's necessary. I don't know. First, I need to get all my crap in here that I have so I can put it where it needs to go and then decide what else I need to buy. Luna's doing good on the carpet, huh? She's kind of anxious. Like, I feel like she's like, what are we doing here? Whose house is this? So this is my current idea. I'm thinking of putting the couch here facing the wall and then putting the TV on the wall with the TV stand. Luna's crying. She's just really anxious about the whole thing. Then I can maybe put like a tree in the corner, maybe even a mirror there, because otherwise I would have to put the sofa against that wall and then the carpet, coffee table, and put the TV stand here on this half wall. And I just feel like it'll look better if there's like a walkway here to go to the balcony, and then the sofa and everything like that is kind of in its own little cozy closed area. So that's the plan right now. I put my sweater back on because it's cold. Side note, I'm really excited to have a real gas stove again because the tortillas and the quesadillas are about to be amazing. An electric stove was very new for me. I didn't grow up with an electric stove, and to be honest, I kind of hated it. So I'm really excited to get real fire and gas up in my kitchen again, so that's exciting. I brought a little bit of stuff for my Nespresso corner, but not everything. So I still have a lot to do, but my girlfriends are gonna come tomorrow, Saturday, to help me bring the rest of my stuff, mostly the big stuff because they both have big cars. So thank you so much to them. I'm gonna order them some wings, probably get like some wine. I'm gonna make sure we bring the sofa and the TV first, so that way that's set up while we do the rest of the stuff. So also, you guys, remind me that I need to bring a bowl for Luna because I feel so bad. I had to give her water in like a coffee cup because I didn't have a bowl for her water. So remind me to get that tonight. I'm just really happy. I'm like really excited. I am still going through like some mixed emotions. Like, I am really happy right now, but I was really sad last night. Like, I just feel like I'm really back and forth about the whole thing, but right now feeling pretty happy. Honestly, I'm feeling kind of thirsty, so I might have to go back to my old place and get some water, maybe bring some more stuff. Dang.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if I hate that. Sorry guys.
checking in with an update. We went to Target. Oh, I needed more storage containers. These are the ones that I always get. I love these. They're by Bright Room. I got 3 of the big ones, and then I got a couple of the small ones. I need to put some of this PB2 in here, and then I got another one for, I think for these vitamins. I got the labels from Amazon, so I'll link those too. And then I got this trash can because I learned from my mistake. Last time I got a trash can that didn't have a top on it, and when you have pets, you need a trash can with a lid. So I got this basic white like step stool one. This one I think is also, no, this one's by Room Essentials, and it was 15 bucks. I needed a shower curtain, and I freaking bought the shower curtain, and I forgot to get the little rings to hang it up. So we're probably gonna have to go back to Target, maybe not today, but we're gonna have to go back regardless to get those little hooks. But I got this one. It was only 20 bucks, and I think it's nice. It has like this textured cotton feel to it, just white. And I also needed a bath mat for here, so I got this one by Casa Luna. It's a textured bath mat. I like it because it seems pretty durable, but it also seems really easily washable, which I also need when you have pets. So the other one that I had at the other place was great. I washed it like a million times and there was never a stain on it, so I'm hoping this one can withstand that. The last thing that I got is this Bright Room slide out drawer. I got this for under my restroom because I have a bunch of hair tools, and the way I had it before, like in this basket, it was just too much, making too much mess and taking up a lot of room. So I decided to get this, that way I can put like hair products on top or something. Really cute. And this was only 20 bucks. We're making progress. My sister hung up all my clothes. Let me show you guys. She's a lifesaver because this would have taken me forever. The only thing that I went to Target to get and I didn't get were some baskets, but that's because I want to get some from IKEA. But this is what the closet is looking like. So it's a double glass sliding door. I really like that it already came with this shelving built in, so I kind of put stuff where its basket is gonna go. So this is like hats and like Disney ears, just like headwear accessories. And then over here is like some side bags and little accessories, like this little wallet. Down here, I don't really know, but I also have these sunglasses and this scarf, so just like maybe another accessories bin. And down there is bathing suits, so I need a basket for some bathing suits. But look at the closet, it looks so organized. And I have some purses and stuff up there. And then on this side is where I have coats, sweaters, longer items like dresses and rompers and stuff. So cute. And then I also have some extra room up here. I'm like shocked by the amount of room that I have. I still have some clothes at the other place, but not that much that I feel like it's gonna stuff this closet, so that's awesome. The room is still looking a little bit of a mess. I have to fold those shorts and put them in the closet. I wanted to hang curtains here because I've been seeing on TikTok all these people saying that you don't want a mirror facing your bed or you'll have nightmares. So now it's in my head, and I feel like I need to get curtains to cover this because I saw someone do that and it looked really cute. So I started doing it, but I'm scared because I don't have that stud finder thing to tell you if there's like wires or like a pipe or something behind it, and I don't want to risk it. So I'm gonna get one of those on Amazon first before I start hanging stuff up. We're looking pretty good. Bunch of empty boxes. This is other stuff that I have to hang up, like skirts and stuff. And then I also have another closet, which is awesome because over there in the rest of the apartment, I don't have somewhere to put like my vacuum and things like that. So I'm probably gonna do that here. And this will kind of be like storage. I also have 2 storage closets on the balcony. Restroom is looking a little better. So I put this vase that we put together, I put it here in the restroom. I have that there. I don't know if I want to do the shelves the same way that I did it in my old restroom, but I might, or I might put like a big piece of artwork. I don't know yet. But for now, that's what it's looking like. I still have nothing in here, so I need to put my stuff in there. One of the first things I did was set up all my Febreze plugins because an empty apartment just smells dusty. This is what the living room is looking like. I'm so happy with it. I know this isn't the way you're technically supposed to do it. I feel like normally you would have the couch against the wall and then the TV stand over here, but I like this a little better. I like breaking it off and I like having the couch not against the wall. I just think it looks cute and cozy. I have to get like side tables because there's not that much room for a coffee table, but I also ordered a rug that I'm waiting to get on Amazon. Look at my sister. So that's where we're at. I still have a bunch of mess to clean up, but I wanted to give you guys an update because I have not checked in as much as I wanted to, but it's just been crazy and I feel like I only had a short period of time to get all this done. So thankfully I had my sister, my friends help me, Danielle, Gina. It was just a really busy weekend, but I'm really happy with all of the stuff that we were able to get done, and apartment tour is coming soon. I will show you the empty apartment tour probably right now because I have all that footage, so let's get into the empty apartment tour. Welcome to the new place. I'm so freaking excited. As the entryway, this is the kitchen. The kitchen is probably my favorite part of the whole apartment, to be honest. I love the amount of space that I have. The kitchen cabinets are white, so pretty. Then moving on to the living room. This is a studio, so it is divided by that half wall, but as you can see, pretty large. I feel like for a studio, I have 2 closets in my bedroom, so plenty of storage there. This is literally my first apartment on my own, so really excited to start this journey with you guys. Here's the restroom, pretty basic, in-unit washer dryer, period. That's me, super happy. I'm just so proud of myself, you guys.
It was all a big mistake, never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends, I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door.